Imagine losing healthy broiler chickens not because of disease, not because of bad feed, but because their bodies lost essential minerals during heat stress. Many farmers don't realize this problem until it's already too late. And the sad part, most of them rush to buy expensive electrolyte powders from the store when they could make a simple electrolyte booster at home. In this video, I will show you why broilers lose electrolytes, how to recognize the early warning signs, and how to make a powerful DIY electrolyte booster using simple ingredients you already have. And stay with me until the end because I will show you a dangerous mistake many farmers make when giving electrolytes. Electrolytes are essential minerals that carry electrical charges in the body. In broiler chickens, the most important electrolytes are sodium, potassium, chloride. These minerals help regulate many body functions. For example, they help control water balance in the body, they help muscle function properly, they help nerves send signals, and they help maintain the correct acid-base balance inside the chicken's body. Here's something many farmers don't realize. When a chicken experiences heat stress, it starts panting to cool its body. But during this process, the bird loses important electrolytes through respiration and water imbalance. This loss slowly weakens the bird, and if the imbalance becomes severe, growth slows down dramatically. But how can you tell when your chickens are starting to lose electrolytes? There are actually several warning signs. Let's look at them. The first sign is panting. When broilers are too hot, they open their beaks and breathe rapidly. This is their way of releasing excess heat. But this also causes electrolyte loss. Another sign is excessive drinking. The birds will gather around the drinkers and consume much more water than usual. This often leads to wet litter. If you notice the litter becoming wet quickly, it could mean the birds are trying to rebalance their bodies. The third sign is reduced feed intake. When chickens are stressed by heat, they eat less feed. Less feed means slower growth and poor weight gain. Another sign is weak or inactive birds. You may see them sitting more often or moving less. Some birds may even appear tired. If you see several of these signs together, there is a good chance your flock needs electrolyte support. Now here is the good news. You don't always need to buy expensive commercial products. You can actually make a simple electrolyte booster at home. Let me show you how. This homemade electrolyte solution uses simple kitchen ingredients. You only need 3 things: clean drinking water, sugar, and salt. Now let's understand why these ingredients work. Sugar provides quick energy. When chickens are stressed, they burn energy faster. Sugar helps restore energy levels quickly. Salt contains sodium and chloride. These are two very important electrolytes that help regulate fluid balance in the body. When mixed with water, this solution helps birds recover from dehydration and electrolyte loss. Here is the simple formula. For 1 liter of clean drinking water, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix the solution thoroughly until everything dissolves completely. Once the mixture is ready, place it in the drinkers. Give this electrolyte water to the chickens for about 6 to 8 hours during hot periods. After that, replace it with normal clean water. But wait, there is a way to make this solution even better using natural ingredients. Some farmers like to strengthen their electrolyte solution using natural additives. One popular option is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may help support digestion and gut health. You only need to add a few drops per liter of water. Another natural additive is garlic. Garlic has natural antimicrobial properties and may help support the immune system. Some farmers crush a small clove of garlic and mix it with the drinking water. However, these ingredients are optional. The basic mixture of water, sugar and salt already works very well as an electrolyte booster, but timing is also important. So when exactly should you give electrolytes to broilers? Electrolytes are most useful during stress periods. The first situation is extreme heat. Hot weather is the number one cause of electrolyte imbalance in broiler chickens. The second situation is after vaccination. Vaccination can cause temporary stress in birds. Electrolytes help them recover faster. The third situation is transportation. Moving chickens from one place to another can stress them. Electrolytes help restore body balance. But there is something very important every farmer must understand. Electrolytes are helpful, but too much can also be harmful. Let me explain the biggest mistake farmers make. Some farmers think electrolyte water should be given every day. Too much salt in the diet can cause problems. It may increase water intake too much. This leads to very wet litter. Wet litter can then cause footpad problems and ammonia buildup in the poultry. Excess salt may also put stress on the bird's kidneys. This is why electrolyte booster should only be used for short periods when needed. Usually 6 to 8 hours is enough. After that, always return to normal clean water. Here is a simple tip that can make a difference. During hot weather, always try to keep drinking water cool and clean. Warm water discourages chickens from drinking. You can place drinkers in shaded areas to keep the water cooler. This simple change can greatly reduce heat stress. Now you know how to make a simple DIY electrolyte booster for broilers. It's cheap, it's easy to prepare, and it can help protect your flock during stressful conditions. If you found this video helpful, comment broiler booster below. And if you want more practical poultry farming tips, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will show you fermented maize for broilers. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace, love and light.